Let A, B and C be three sets such that A union B equal to C and A intersection B equal to null set. Then prove that A is equal to C minus B. Here given that A, B and C are the three sets and two conditions. First one is A union B equal to C. Using this condition, you have to prove that A is equal to C minus B. For that, first we write C minus B. So, we put minus B is also this side. Here we get a new relation C minus B equal to A union B minus B. Next step can be changed into A union B intersection B complement. How we can write like that? A union B intersection B complement using the formula x minus y equal to x minus y complement, x intersection y complement. Using this formula, we take A union B as x and y as b. So our relation become x intersection y complement. Here is also we put A union B instead of x and b complement for y complement. Next step become A union B intersection B complement equal to A intersection B complement union B intersection B complement. Here is also A intersection B complement union. We know that B intersection B complement is also always null set, which is equal to A intersection B complement union null set, which is equal to A intersection B complement. This result become X union null set equal to X union null set equal to X. Using this condition, we can write here A intersection B complement. This A intersection B complement can be written as A minus B. Using this result, we can write that A minus B. A minus B equal to A, because A intersection B equal to null set. A minus B equal to A using the result, the formula A minus B equal to A. From this A union B, we can prove that C minus B equal to A. Once more, we take the relation A union B is equal to C. After that, we put minus B right side and left side of the equal sign. After that, A union B intersection B complement, because this result given from this formula x minus y is equal to x intersection y complement. After that, A intersection B complement union B intersection B complement. We know that B intersection B complement is null set. From this union, we get A intersection B complement, which is equal to A minus B. Hence the result. If you have any doubt about this question, please comment on my comment button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.